Welcome to our indoor microgreen farm here in Johannesburg, South Africa. And let me take you through the building process while the farming process continues. So here we've got our extraction fan that we just put in so that we can increase our airflow and reduce our humidity. We've got Elton here fixing these lights. New age rack systems for this expansion pack. These are stainless steel trays for hydroponics, deep water culture, flood and drain, whatever you want to call it. This is the result. A grade. Got a fan in the wall for bringing temperature and cool air through this room for airflow. And we've got this oscillating fan up here which continues to blow air around the room. These are stainless steel tanks that we've built. We build these all in-house. And if you look underneath, they've got a pipe coming out the bottom so that we can connect a pump. These puppies are going to be used soon. There's our DB board and our timer, DB board. And take you through the preparation room and harvest room. This is preparation for seedling trays are being prepped. They've got prepped on these racks. It's our planning board, small office / pack house. We do all our scaling and weighing and storage and cleaning. It all happens over here. For deliveries. New hydroponic stainless steel troughs that are going inside soon. New seed stock for the next 4 months. And that's it.